Hi, I am from the PC Error Detective YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to flip camera on Windows 11, so you can easily fix an upside down or rotated webcam view. Step 1. Click on the search icon on your Windows 11 taskbar, type Settings, and then click on the Settings app from the results. This opens the main control center where you can manage and customize all system features. Step 2. Inside the Settings window, look at the left side menu and click on Bluetooth and Devices. This section is important because it manages all connected hardware, including cameras, keyboards, and other devices. Step 3. Now click on Cameras from the available options. This page shows all the camera devices connected to your computer, whether it is a built-in laptop camera or an external USB webcam. Step 4. Under the Connected Cameras section, click on the camera you want to flip. Selecting the camera opens its detailed settings, where you can control how the camera behaves and looks. Step 5. Scroll down on the camera settings page and expand Basic Settings if it is not already visible. This area contains visual controls that allow you to adjust how your camera image appears. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to PC Error Detective for more helpful Windows tips and fixes.